20 tips to help you build a foundation for success. Start your morning with positive affirmations. Create systems that keep you on track. Learn to disregard your detractors. Don't be afraid to dream big. Transform negative self-talk into positive self-talk. Find inspiration and motivation wherever you can. Know what success really means to you. Create a to-do list every morning. Surround yourself with successful people. Don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Do whatever you can to keep your goals in mind. Set goals that match your idea of success. Set deadlines for all of your goals. Don't dwell on your setbacks or failures. Find your passion and create goals based around it. Create routines that develop positive habits. Take a step towards your goals each day. Don't fear failure. Learn from it. Never lose your sense of humor. Ask your friends, family, and colleagues for feedback.